What's going on, guys? This is Marvin with Flex, Rocks and Rollovers. Welcome to another episode. Today we are at Windrock Park in beautiful Tennessee for just a little trail riding. Just a couple of good friends and my dad. That's right. So this time I left the Jeepster at home because we're prepping it for the second part of the season, which is going to be the most exhausting part of the season for the Jeep. And I'm riding passenger today with my dad, which I haven't done in probably 2 or 3 years. So I'm really looking forward to that. Enjoy the ride and stay tuned. This behind me is my dad's old YJ, the Jeep that I learned to wheel with. The Jeep that, I don't know, took us across country, I don't know how many times. This thing is probably in its 4th or 5th stage of building. The last one was done by TNT Customs and Jeep Tech in Georgia. So yeah, this thing is awesome. This is one of my all-time favorite vehicles. It's a 91 YJ, at least for the most part. Some parts have been changed. It's got a stock 4.4-liter in it, just an open air intake and some small goodies, but for the most part it's stock. Then BF Goodrich, brand new, fresh BF Goodrich KX red label. So the BF Goodrich crawlers, red label means sticky, so soft compound. On 17-inch raceline bead locks, 2.5-inch, 14-inch long Bilstein coilovers. Got a 3-link in the front. Custom 3-link suspension with a Dana 60 Kingpin from Curry axles with a PSC Hydro Assist and RCV axles and a Eaton E-locker. The TNT steering relocation, moto build bumper, Warren winch. I don't even know what headlights those are. Those might be high beam off-road. What else? The shock towers coming through the hood a little bit. You can see the Bilstein shock in there. TNT Customs cowl armor, fenders, highline fenders from TNT Customs as well as the rock sliders and both sides. And it got the moto build system underneath it. Some worn Mastercraft seats and a custom dash built by TNT Customs. Fuel cell in the back, custom cage from TNT, fresh taillights, moto build back half kit. Custom tailgate, rear 60 from Curry axles with 35 spline shafts. So guys, here you can see the direct comparison of a 40-inch Maxxis sticky trap and a 39-inch BF Goodrich crawler, red label. Both of them are somewhat new, so yeah, check out the size comparison. They are exactly the same size. So much to BF Goodrich not being true to size. Like that shirt, boy?
Yeah. Representing Flex, Rocks and Rollovers. I've had like 2 hours of sleep, so I'm exhausted.
Like always.
Flex, Rocks and Rollovers. Let's see where we're riding today. We're gonna check it out on the Windrock Park app.
I've honestly never really seen the south side, like south from General Store, basically. Not going north, but over cutting down there.
There's a road right here somewhere.
pretty close now to trail entrance. We wanted to go down trail 3, but it's a little steep, so we're gonna make our way around and then hit trail 40, which is rail trail.
I've never been on rail trail. I've actually been Cadillac's down here.
Cadillac is down, exactly.
So we went intersected.
You went through the deep water and then up Cadillac, right?
Yeah, up that big nasty hill. Yep.
Yeah, and but rail trail's on the other side of Cadillac.
It's to the left.
Yeah, right.
Yep. I've never been there, so yeah, it'd be interesting.
Let's see how this goes.
Yeah.
Back up. Put your hand inside, dude. Put your hand inside. It's not really that pretty because your tire there is in an undercut. Like, maybe you want to get out and see, but
if I get out, I think it's gonna.
The thing is this is gonna mess you up, and if you go forward, this side is gonna mess you up. Like, it's kinda, you're kinda in a.
Hey, that's how it is.
All right, so Andrew got himself in a little tricky situation. If that tire keeps going forward, it wants to go, and if that tire wants to go backwards, it also wants to go over. So
slowly. No. Okay.
yeah, let's hook him up to a winch. So just a little bit of a wrong line.
Yeah, we would say that was not the right line. The axle. Oh, come on! You got it! You got it! Come on! It's like.
But
He's got that.
Carefully. Keep going. Slowly.
I don't normally want to put my seatbelt on. I know that's a horrible, horrible thing, but I definitely want to put my seatbelt on.
I don't usually put my seatbelt on, but when I do, I also put my diapers on.
Yeah. Yes.
What happened?
Snapped the brake line off somehow.
Right there.
Yep.
These two things are belonging together.
Does that trail get us out, Marvin? That other trail?
No.
I was like, dude, where's my brakes?
Hey, I've got some at home.
Yep. I have brake fluid in the truck, but I don't have any with me.
You got any brake fluid with you, Rob?
I do.
I'm gonna need. I got some in the truck. I'll replace it, but.
Did you already punch the brakes afterwards? You think you have to bleed them?
I'm not worried about bleeding them. I just want to get some more fluid in them.
Andrew, why didn't you buy a good rig?
I don't know.
Or build a good one.
I'm going to.
We did build a good one. We sold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Steven's got it. Yeah, Steven bought it.
I'll sell you
Yeah,
mine.
he's like, I'm just gonna sell it, and I'm like, why? You're gonna turn around and buy another one, and then have to spend all the time and money.
Again.
No, I won't. 2 months later.
Yeah, he's trying to squeeze it. Crushed. You have to fold it over.
Fun times, Marvin.
Yep.
Jesus
Part of it. At least we're not working on my shit.
Hey, Marvin.
I see the positive in everything.
snapped the brake line off. I don't know when or how, but it happened. I assume it's probably age. We took the brake line, pulled the end off of it where it snapped, and folded it over, vice gripped it down, zip tied the vice grips together.
Now you're good to go.
Add some fluid to it.
I'll do the vice.
I think they already did that for you.
Sweet.
Alright, so he is high centered, so we're just hooking him up the winch just to get off the gnarly spot. As you can see, all wheels are spinning. It's gonna snap! And snap, there goes his winch line. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching guys. We're gonna show you how this craziness continues in part 2. How this drama ends, how we got him out of the trail, if Andrew's Trail Freaks brake line setup holds up all the way until the end, and more in part 2. So stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up if you like it, give us a thumbs down if you don't. I'll see you guys next time. My name is Marvin, you're watching Flex Rocks and Rollovers. See ya!